Okay. Is this thing on? Yep, this thing is on. So you can see I have my proton pack right there. My proton pack is right there. That's pretty obvious. I have it on my back. That's the wand. It might actually be pretty dark because we're searching for ghosts. So we just turn on the lights. There we go. It's a little dark. Let's go into this room. Wait, what is that? I need to check that. What is this? What is this? Oh! Guys! It's a panda ghost right there. Get it! Okay, I think we got him. All right. Search for more ghosts. Advent calendar. Hang on, let me get the PKE meter out. Okay, we're searching with PKE meter. Okay, I'm just using proton wand. I installed a ghost detector in this, so yeah, it should show me where the ghosts are. It's a boot ghost. Okay, we got that ghost. This has already been 3 minutes and 8 seconds. Okay, it's just looking at how long the video is. Sorry if the camera points at the floor. Yep, still 3 minutes, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Finally, 30 more minutes to go. Seconds till we get to 4 minutes. I want this video to be 4 minutes. That's my own video I made last time, which isn't even uploaded. Okay, I think that's all the ghosts. Let me turn this on. Ghost detector on the proton wand is not detecting anything.
Alright. Ready to go to McDonald's?
Yes, let's go to McDonald's for a celebration for catching the ghosts.